If you're a manufacturer or distributor, listen up. Your IT solutions just got easier. Here are 5 essential IT support hacks from CMIT Boston Newton Waltham to supercharge your operations. First, ensure comprehensive IT and EDI support for seamless data management. No more data nightmares. Second, simplify your budgeting with fixed monthly pricing. Unlimited service touches, predictable costs. Yes, please. Third, avoid unexpected expenses with our Cybersecurity incident warranty. Stay protected without the surprise bills. Fourth, secure all your devices, personal and company, with MFA, MAM, and MDM. Your data stays safe always. Finally, get strategic with virtual C-level guidance. Our virtual CIO and CISO services plus a 3-year tech roadmap keep you ahead of the game. Proactive IT support from CMIT Boston Newton Waltham minimizes downtime, boosts productivity, and aligns your IT with your business goals. Visit our website or contact us to learn more. Stay tech savvy, folks.